Sai Kumar Navathe. Thank you for subscribing my channel, and I thank each and every subscriber who trusted me and who are believing that you are going to get lots of good videos in the future. So today we are going to discuss about how to use your willpower, how to use the time management properly, and how to make the effective goals. So let's go to the topic. Don't skip the video. Watch till the last. So today, as I said, in this video, you're going to learn about time management, willpower, right? So generally, time management, what is time management? Many people think that being on some particular place on time or doing some particular task on the particular time is a time management. That is all false. So generally what happens here is time management is how effective you use your energy in the particular time and how mindful you are. So suppose example, if you are going to prepare for some exams, or if you are going to do some task, studying particular hours is not important. How much content you have understood is important. How many lessons you have completed is important. Not how much time you have spent on a particular reading is not important. So that is how productivity, that is how you use willpower. So many people do mistakes in time management. That is, they set goals, they want to do something on particular time, and they were unable to reach that goals. So this is because generally what happens is human nature, we start overthinking when we can't do something. Suppose if I have set a target of doing some particular task on particular time, if I have not reached that task, or if I have not started that work, I start overthinking in myself. I start going into the different kinds of mindset, whereas my total positive energy is dragging to the negative energy. So this is how we waste our willpower. Generally, willpower is used in a proper way so that you can be more productive. If you are more productive, ultimately the time is managed in a proper way. So now you are going to understand what is willpower. You understood what is time management. Not doing particular task and particular time is not important. How much work you are doing, how productive you are is important. Next, coming to many of the people, they change their lifestyles. Many of the people, the lifestyles will improve because they manage their time most effectively. They manage their willpower very well. So coming to willpower is the energy which is generated within ourselves, and willpower is how positive you are on particular mindset, on particular situation, or how positive you are dragging yourself into the positive thinking. If you are going to the negative thinking, you are draining your willpower. If you are wasting your time, you are draining your willpower. If you are investing your energy in other tasks rather than the productivity, rather than the results what you get in your life, you are wasting your willpower. So willpower is totally about your mind, your body, which creates energies to give you most productive or more productive works in your life. So how to use willpower and how willpower is generated? Generally, willpower, every day everyone gets a willpower with the food, with lots of positivity. So here, when the willpower is generated, if you are not using it properly, that is where the success and failure comes. Suppose if I say you, the lots of energy what you are having, if you are investing on non-productive works, which is not giving a good results for your life, which is not towards your goal, means that you are wasting your willpower. So you have to use your energy in the particular time which is useful for your success. Don't invest your energy in the other task. Invest that particular energy, willpower, in the particular task. Concentrate fully on your goals, then you can achieve lots of things. So this is what about time management and willpower. Now coming to how to set effective goals. See, generally, whenever we achieve something in our life, we feel very happy, right? When we feel very happy, our brain releases adrenaline rush. What is adrenaline rush here is the happiness what we feel after achieving something, or dopamine rush we can say. This dopamine rush will generate in our brain when we achieve something in our life. So you have to create dopamine rush each and every day to achieve more in your life. So how to create dopamine rush is, if you have taken some particular work, you achieved it, you have to feel that you have achieved lots of things, right? Suppose if you're playing any cricket match or if you're playing any game, the opposition and you are in a tough situations, suddenly you won the game in the last moment, how happy you feel? That is a dopamine rush. The same happiness you have to feel each and every day, same happiness you have to get each and every day, so that your brain generates more dopamine, your brain generates more energy to do more tasks. So dopamine rush is very important because you are motivating yourself. Your self motivation, we say. See, how much I motivate, it's not important. How much you motivate yourself is important. So motivating self is releasing dopamine rush. Releasing dopamine rush is feeling happy after doing some task. So the time management, willpower, dopamine rush, these three are very important in our life to use, or these three are very important in our life to achieve success or achieve anything what we want. Generally what happens, people they are having lots of energy, they are talented, they can do it, they are having time, everyone is having the same time. The only difference here is the successful people use the time in a productive way, the successful people use the willpower in a good proper way, and the successful people use the dopamine rush every day to motivate themselves. So these three are very important to achieve the goals in our life. So whenever you set a goals, you want to achieve. So goals means we are having positive, small terms and long term goals. So any type of goals you take. So the goal should be specific, the goal should be measurable, and the goal should be having a proper realistic, right? It should attainable, goal should be specific, goal should be measurable, goal should be attainable, goal should be realistic. Yes, I can do it. Apart from your capabilities, if you are thinking I will achieve what I can say, 1 crore in 1 month, no, that is out of our reality. What is reality? I will complete a whole syllabus in 1 month. No, what is reality? What is your capabilities? So the goal should be specific, what you want to achieve. The goal should be measurable, how much time, in how much time you can achieve. The goal should be attainable, you should attain, you should achieve that goal. The fourth one is goal should be realistic. It should be real, it should not be like I'm like framing a goal whereas it is not real to achieve, right? The goal should be in a time sensitive. If you keep this particular set, once again I will say, goal should be specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time specific. If you set the goal in particular way, you can use your willpower in a proper way. If you use your willpower in a proper way, you can manage your time in a productive way. So once you manage your time in a productive way, you are self-motivated, you release your dopamine every day so that you are self-motivated and can achieve lots of things. So this is the Sai Kumar. This is today's video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. You are going to get lots of videos on personality development, interview skills, communication skills, overall development of your life. Thank you.